Introduction to flood causes. Floods are natural disasters that occur when water overflows its usual boundaries, inundating land that is typically dry. Various factors contribute to flooding, including heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt, and storm surges. Understanding the causes of floods and their environmental impacts helps in developing effective strategies for flood management and mitigation. Heavy rainfall. One of the primary causes of floods is intense and prolonged rainfall. When rain falls at a rate that exceeds the soil's ability to absorb it, or when it falls over a large area, it can lead to surface runoff. This runoff flows into rivers, streams, and lakes, potentially causing them to overflow and flood surrounding areas. Urban areas, with their impervious surfaces, often experience more severe flooding due to reduced natural absorption. Rapid snowmelt. In regions with snow-covered landscapes, rapid snowmelt can lead to flooding. When temperatures rise quickly, snow and ice melt faster than usual, sending large volumes of water into rivers and streams. If the volume of water exceeds the river's capacity, it can result in flooding downstream. This type of flood is particularly common in mountainous areas during springtime. Storm surges. Storm surges, which are elevated sea levels caused by strong winds and low pressure associated with storms, can also lead to coastal flooding. Hurricanes and typhoons can push seawater onto land, overwhelming coastal defenses and causing significant damage to coastal areas. These surges can combine with high tides and heavy rainfall, exacerbating the flooding situation. Impact on ecosystems. Floods can have a range of impacts on ecosystems. They can alter the physical landscape, change soil composition, and affect plant and animal life. For instance, floods can erode riverbanks, deposit sediment on floodplains, and create new water bodies. These changes can affect the distribution and health of vegetation and wildlife, potentially leading to shifts in local ecosystems. Habitat destruction. Flooding often results in habitat destruction. Wetlands, which are vital for many species, can be damaged or lost due to floods. Floodwaters can also drown terrestrial plants and animals, disrupting their habitats and food sources. For aquatic species, floods can lead to changes in water quality and flow patterns, impacting their reproductive and feeding behaviors. Water quality issues. Floods can lead to water quality problems by contaminating water sources with pollutants. As floodwaters move over land, they can pick up chemicals, waste, and other contaminants, which may then enter rivers, lakes, and groundwater. This pollution can harm aquatic life, affect drinking water supplies, and pose health risks to humans. Soil erosion and sedimentation. Soil erosion is another consequence of flooding. Fast-moving floodwaters can wash away topsoil, reducing soil fertility and affecting agricultural productivity. Sedimentation from floods can also lead to the siltation of rivers and reservoirs, impacting their capacity and the ecosystems they support. Economic and social impacts. Beyond environmental effects, floods have significant economic and social impacts. They can cause property damage, disrupt communities, and lead to costly recovery efforts. Floods can damage infrastructure, homes, and businesses, leading to financial losses and displacement of residents. Conclusion. Floods are caused by a combination of natural and human-induced factors, including heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt, and storm surges. Their impacts on the environment are profound, affecting ecosystems, habitats, water quality, and soil health. Understanding these causes and consequences is crucial for developing effective flood management strategies and minimizing the adverse effects on both the environment and human societies.